G'day everybody, or kia ora as the locals say. Welcome to the beautiful Cook Islands. Actually, as you can see by my sunburn, we've been here a few days already. We dropped Misha off at my brother's house. We caught a flight from Sydney. We landed in Rarotonga 6 hours later. We checked into this amazing accommodation, got ourselves some transport, and enjoyed what this beautiful island has to offer. Now let's talk diabetes and how I've managed my diabetes while we're here on holidays. It is a diabetes channel after all. The first thing I did notice is there's not an abundance of food like you'd find at home. It's mostly homegrown produce, lots of fruit obviously, vegetables, chicken and eggs. There's lots of chickens running around. Fish obviously, but there's not much in the way of red meat. Now obviously the hotel food here is pretty abundant. Again, there's not much red meat, but there's quite a variety of foods. It's when you head out and about it can be challenging. Okay, so let's go through what I packed when I head out for the day. My little backpack, fits everything in there nice and neat. My insulin and my insulin cooler. This little thing is fantastic. Keeps my insulin cool for up to 24 hours. I'll do a review on this cooler in another video. Just some simple sugars in case I drop a bit low, some lollies there, some longer acting carbs, a banana in this case. Water, keep you hydrated. Other than that, just my phone, my keys, my glasses. That ensures that I have the confidence to enjoy the rest of the day. We boarded a plane this morning, flew over this little island here, Achutaki. We're staying at the Achutaki Private Island Lagoon Resort. Mate, this place is unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this. Well, unfortunately that was the end of the filming. I felt a little bit crook that morning. Took some Panadol later in the afternoon, felt pretty good. We went out for dinner, but that night I took a bit of a turn. The next morning I was in bed, had stomach cramps, vomiting, bit of diarrhea, and ended up in the hospital that night. That day was the only full day that we had on the island. It was pretty significant too. I was going to do a sensor change, but it was also the 8th of November, and the 8th of November is our 20-year wedding anniversary, which was the whole reason for the trip, and I spent it in bed. I didn't really take any more video. It was lucky that Mary took some photos of the venue. It's such a great place. Just because I was in bed doesn't mean Mary had to miss out. She enjoyed herself, as she should. The next day I felt a lot better. We flew back to Rarotonga, had a quiet night before we headed off back to Sydney the next day. Now, despite being sick for a day, it was absolutely fantastic. The Cook Islands are such an amazing place. So good we're actually going back next year. If you're looking for a getaway, definitely check out the Cook Islands. Thanks for watching everybody. Take care and bye for now.